mali thina sifuna imali. Oh mali, oh mali thina sifuna imali. Ya sesikhona ngalesi sikhathi, sesikhona 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 sesikhona. Ngalesi sikhathi-ke ubingelelo changes Akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ya-ke sesikhona-ke good people. Ngiyanibingelela kuphi nakuphi la ningithamele khona. Ngiyabingelela my YouTubers, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for listening to these exceptional messages that are coming from the universe through Changes Akasha. Phinde ngibonge futhi nganza wethu ngoku support financially that mnikelo enuphosayo through ama memberships. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nganza wethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga nje, ngibonga kangiphezi, ngibonga kangiphezi good people. YouTube ke usazoba ngonyaka ozayo. Mawukuthi nje impela awusubscribeile, I will advise you to subscribe lapha ku YouTube wami, because a lot is still going to happen lapha kule YouTube. I can sengibonisiwe phela ngithi ngiyakwazi ukupopola izinto. Where is this? Sengikwazile ukupopola izinto ukuthi no kusazoba lithi kakhulu lapha na YouTube. So I'll invite you to please subscribe lapha ku YouTube. I'll invite you to please subscribe. So let me quickly call. Let me see. I'm not able to do what I think I'm going to do. I'm not able to release me, 'cause I'm not able to release myself. Why am I keep coming back? Why am I keep coming back? Sawubona we bawu lokhu ngane yakho ngiyakwazi ukuyifunda nje ungixolele mangingakwazi ukuthi bawu udlomo. Uma kusho ukuthi udlomo painta udlomo but ke skin care glow more by glow more. Hey, glow more. Sengibona mase kukhona skin care ukuthi it's glow more. Yeah. Painta yo skin care han. Hello, ngiyakubingelela, ngiyakumukela ngalesi sikhathi ngane yakwethu. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ngiphinde ngibonge ke good people, those people that have those people, yeah, glow more. Yes, those people who have managed to subscribe here on TikTok. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your relentless support good people. So siyaqhubeka ke la sasikade sigcine khona. Nginiphatheleni namhlanje sibukado. Uyamazi usibukado yasenanda ke le. Hey mame, wawuphi wena sidedela igqum engasukumi phansi. Thi uyamazi umadanone yasho, ugcwele ngedanone yasho, thana wo. Hey, ngiyakutshela ngoba hey kade sishibilika baba. Soba siyashibilika. Wesibukado khuleka nje in a second, in a moment you are going to catch ukuthi yini engiyiphethe. I'm just welcoming you for now. Ngisho nalawo malo kungane nalawo ma opening remarks nginiphathele wona, but nevertheless sawubona Yolanda Xolile Sawubona ngane yakwethu, ngiyakubingelele, ngiyakwamukela ngalesi sikhathi. Nje we are just adding from lokho esasikhulume ngakho last time. We are just adding lokho esasikhulume ngakho last time, lokho ukuthini ke we still remember last time we talked about the Hermetic principles. We talked about the law of mentalism. We talked about the law of correspondence. We talked about the law of vibration. We talked about the law of polarity. Ne? Last time. We talked about the law of polarity. Ne? Thank you so much, Brenda Musa. Thank you so much for the gift. We are mostly welcomed at this particular moment in time. Ngabanga ukuthi kwi-polarity, that's where we stopped, if I'm not mistaken. That is where we stopped, in the law of polarity, when we were talking. So we are adding on. I think today we are going to finish, because we are going to talk about the law of rhythm, and we are also going to talk about the law of cause and effect, and then we are going to talk about the law of gender, ne? Those three laws. Okay, just a quick recap, good people, because these laws, these are the universal laws. If you fail to work in unison with these laws, we are doomed to experience a very terrible life, because you will be working against the forces of the universe. So whether consciously or unconsciously, these laws are working upon your life. Unfortunately, if they are working unconsciously, it might happen that they are working against you if they are working unconsciously. So you better be conscious of these laws. So a quick recap is, if we are talking about the mentalism, the whole universe is mental. That is just a quick recap, so that we are going to add on what we've spoken about. If the universe is mental, so it means also your life, your reality is a mental projection as well. Why it is so? It's because of the law that says, as above, so below, as below, so above, the law of correspondence. There's a recent video that I've posted, I think it's yesterday, where I was explaining that you are the universal reality. We are existing in the mind, and then within the mind of the universe, you have your own mind that you have to do the same, to replicate what the universe has done. So that is just a quick recap on those two laws. And then the law of vibration. Everything is in constant motion, everything is vibrating, so nothing is at rest. So the higher the vibration, the spiritual that thing becomes. The lower the vibration, the dense and materially that thing becomes. Ne? So the extreme lowest vibration is the physical matter. The highest extreme of the vibration is spiritual. Ne? So the more you vibrate higher, how do you vibrate higher? Your mental attunement. You need to tune your mind to be at peace, at acceptance. That is the highest vibration. So acceptance, love, all those, happiness. Not even happiness is something that is temporal, but your mental tuning, the first point is acceptance. in the scale of consciousness, acceptance first. So that is where you are starting to change your life, yabo. So in your life you are holding a certain vibrational frequency. It's either it is high or low. So if it's low, it means you are dense, negative vibration, positive vibration. Those are two polarities. So if we move to the if we move to the law of polarity that I've just spoken about right now, the polarity, it's either everything has its pair of opposites. Even something that is true, it is half false, yabo. So there is no paper with one side. So everything has its pair of opposites. That's what you should know. Extremes meet, ne? That was the law of what? Of polarity. So even if you know, even there is something good, we are born there is something bad about it. Even in something that is bad, there is something good about it. It depends on where we are focusing. So done about the polarity. So in your own life, yazi ukuthi abantu abagxekayo discard ba right nabo bantu. They are focusing on the other pole. Ba right nabo abantu abagxekayo. Nabantu abagxeka wena noma abagxekani, abantu abagxekayo ba right because they are focusing on the other pole. But when you intentionally focus on the other pole, ne? Someone may say you are a terrible person. Obviously, right. There is something right about that. Based on la focus on. But at the same time, thank you, Yolanda. But at the same time, because that's not where we are focusing on the other side. Yabo. Khona lokho akushoyo konke right ngakho, konke engekho right ngakho. Yabo. So yonke into in a pair of opposite kuyona. Wena uyothi focus kuphi. So when you intentionally focus on the other pole. In your life, you may say your life is terrible, but there's something that is not terrible about your life. So that is the pole. Let us move. We are doing a recap. Ne? Zo, hey Zo, evening good people. Evening Zo. Siyangumukela nganya wethu ngalesi sikhathi. Thank you for tuning in. So done about that. A quick recap on the law of polarity. The law of now we are coming to the law of what? The rhythm. The law of rhythm. Okay, that is the topic for today. Ne? The law of rhythm. Before ngiqhubeka, uma kukhona umuntu la osebenzayo ku-YouTube kodwa engasubscribe, ngicela ukuthi aye ku-subscribe ku-Changes Akasha. Ne, ngiyazi vethu uzokhona kodwa kukhumbule lokho ukuthi uyosubscribe ngoba I've received a download that next year that YouTube channel a lot is going to happen like a television set. Ne? A lot is going to happen like a television set. I've just received a download. Yabo. Izinto zihamba kanjalo ke guys. Izinto zihamba kanjalo. Yabo. Hey Nels, siyakubingelela nganya wethu futhi siyakwemukela ngalesi sikhathi. Why ngithi mina I've just received a download ukuthi my YouTube channel next year a lot is going to happen. Uzonyakaza more than this time. I've just received a download. Angizwa ukuthi ngithini. Akumina ovela suke nje acabanga ukuthi yini emele ukuthi ngiyenze manje. Mina I'm not a manifester. I'm a generator. I wait for things to come to me. Yes. Muntu engakufundela i-chart uma ukuthi uyi-generator or manifesting generator, you wait for things to come to you. I waited for things to come to me. because I had a YouTube channel, yabo, and I responded before I opened that YouTube channel. Angivelanga so ngavula YouTube channel. I responded. Something happened outside that I responded to. Yes. Manje ke hayi ukuthi njoba bengihleli nje uYouTube wami ngekho busy ngekho into hectic ngingababamba live ngangazama ukuthi ngibamba live ngabona I did not respond. I just initiated share pants. So ngilindileke nje angaze ngize ngilo ngiyiforce ukuthi ukuze uYouTube wami ukwazi ukuthi ube active angitatazeli. I'm waiting for things to come to me. Now things have come to me. Now I'm telling you ukuthi in my YouTube channel something is going to happen next year, yabo. Why? I've responded now. Ngiresponda kanjani for something that is happening outside of me. Ezo initiate something that will come from my sacral ukuthi yes, this is what should happen. Now I have power to do exactly that. Uyayizwa leyo nto leyo. Mawuthi ngangakredela i-chat yakho mfethu ngicela exercise lo musu kuba pushy. Musu kufuna ukuqala izinto ukuforce izinto. Don't force things. Wait for things to come to you. Yes. How? Open amehlo lawa uvula izindlebe lezi, ne? Khona uzozwa izinto ezi-excitayo bese they gonna stimulate your sacral and then you start to acting rather than ukuthi usukela nje uqamba manga nje uziforce izinto because you are going to be experience burnout. Ngiyaqhubeka ngiyapha. Philani uthi finally I catched you live my brother. I greet you and everyone else. Hi Philani. Singelela Philani, you are mostly welcomed. Ngicabanga ukuthi yo nami uyingake la ngibona ngathi yangiqasha. Move. So thank you for the YouTube. Sesimamele kuningi kuko. Thank you so much Zo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much Zo. Thank you. Awesome stuff. All right. We go on angithi. We go on siyaqhubeka. Ithi ke into ngokwe law of rhythm. Yonke into ayikho into emile. Yonke ine cycle kuyona. Ngiphinde futhi yonke into ine cycle kuyona. Ayikho into static. Yes. Because I am uthi yimi lo generator. Ngirelaxile angikhamazeli. Danko because I am injalo nje. Yonke into in cycle. That is the law of rhythm. Kune birth, kune death, bese kuba ne rebirth. Kuyona yonke into in this life. Ku understand lokho. There is birth, death, only for a rebirth to come. Sawubona soul penduka. A swing, there is a swing to the left that is equals to the swing to the right. The rhythm compensates. So uyabona lo mthetho we rhythm ukuthi usho ukuthi kwazi ukubona ukuthi izinto azihlali ziyinto eyodwa njalo. Izinto ziyafa, zifelane only for them to be reborn. Once those things are reborn, they are not reborn ziwi state esinjani esi inferior. Zizala kwizi state es better. Yabo? Zizala kwizi state es better. Ayikho ke into emhlabeni engayilandeli leyo pattern. Ya birth, death and rebirth. That is why kuthiwa sizalwa nabanye, sikhula nabanye, sifa nabanye. Yabona? Ngezaso ukuthi uyabona empilweni yakho. Ayeke ngikubekele kanje lento le. Ayeke ngikubekele kanje. Angithi uyabona ke siqale nje la kwi nature. Asiqale kwi nature. Ukubone kwi nature ukuthi kukhona imini angithi bese imini izohlulwa ubusuku angithi Brenda Musa, you can share. Can I share with what you said, just what I needed today? Oh, as to request, you can request by the after I have finished articulating, or maybe is it too urgent? Okay, let's get you maybe for that little 5 minutes, Brenda. Not for so long. Maybe I think yes, Brenda. Siyabingelela sibingelela.
Hi, Prof. How ninjani family?
Siyaphila unjani wena?
Siyaphila. Prof, with what you just said now, something happened to me today. Actually, I'm even shaking as I speak. I didn't do anything. I'm like speechless with how everything turned out. I think last time I shared you about the business that I wanted to do, which ngenze kanjani. There is a place, a busy place, like a small street, I will say it. I think everyone know, abanye bayazi small ukuthi kutholakala yonke indawo. Bengifuna indawo that is extremely busy. So ngangifuna leyo ndawo, but bengingazi ukuthi ngizoyithola kanjani, because mostly idominator ngabantu ababuya ngaphandle, like eMozambique, abanye ngama-Pakistan and all that, but I wanted something la busy khona, but bengazi ukuthi who to speak to. And so today clearly in the garden, actually I followed what you said, ukuthi I need to downgrade and do 1 2 3 and all that. I always do that daily. Today I received a call. Normally I don't answer my phone on Sundays because Sunday is like ide yami ukuthi ngiconnect to nature, or go out ngiye ehlathini or emanzini, ngifike ngilalela umfula mawuhamba and all that. Today I received a call and then they said, please come to this place, bank direct. Okay, I've got nothing to do, let me quickly run. Ngifike khona, mangifike khona, there is this one woman athi kimi, I understood ukuthi you were looking for a place. Angimazi because I've never seen that woman in my life. Umuntu engimaziyo is the lady who does my hair and cut me and all that, angstyle, who is like 4 shops away from here. Athi ngidecide ukuthi ngiye ekhaya, so I want to sell my place. I understood ukuthi there was a time when we were looking for a place. That was around September, October. Mangicala ukujoin. It's okay. So what's the plan? I want to go and I want you to take the place. Angizange apply, angizange ngenze next. And she said, you can have it. The shop is so beautiful, like inhle, ina yonke into is what I needed. It's on the very same spot engangiyifuna mina, but ngingazi ukuthi ngizobakhipha kanjani laba abantu that are next to it. And I was mangibuya, I sat down in the garden and I was like, Lord, universe, I don't know how you do things, but I receive with love and I'm grateful. So I just want to share to everyone ukuthi yazini izinto ziyenzeka mawulandela lokho bakufundise khona. January, on the 1st of January, I'm going to be owning that place. It will be under my name. And secondly, I'm going to brand my products. I'm looking, I'm still looking for someone who's going to brand all my products with my name and my signature and register everything. And there is a place bayibiza ngokuthi Vamalstal, la ngithanda ukuya khona emfuleni wakhona ngamabhunu kakhulu. And mangihleli lapha I saw a man omunye ungumSuthu wayephuza I think it's Castle le green angibazi utshwala lobu bu green angazi Castle Light or Castle Fish or something like that, so wangibuza ukuthi uyathanda ukuzohlala la, uyayithanda le ndawo? Ngithi yo ngiyayithanda baba, but angiyazi ukuthi nginga-apply kanjani. Athi no, ngakusenkosini uyothola indawo. Yesterday I received a call, inkosi yenze appointment nami ukuthi I can come and see him tomorrow azongidayisela istand. And I cried. I couldn't hold my tears. I just cried. Gosh. So yeah, le mfundiso le ositshela yona, it is happening. Ngizibonele ngokwami ngingufakazi. And nabanye asiqhubekeni ngama-chat wethu. Mawuthi downgrade, when I downgraded because I moved from a estate to a townhouse, my daughter didn't like it. She was angry with, how can you go to a low class place? This place is blah blah blah. I was like, you know what? I'm not going to explain to you. Ukoshute if izinto zami zifanele zilunge, this is what I have to do. And I did that. But today ngifuna ukusho ukuthi nginofakazi. I will have my own place and I've got a stand. And both of those things I didn't even apply. I guess the universe saw it's time. Even though it took like 3 to 4 months. But so kwenzekile. Today I've got it. I just couldn't even cry today. I was so speechless ngihlale phandle ekhaya the whole day. Ngahlala ngathi ya uNkulunkulu uyazenza izinto zakho ngesikhathi sakho. So guys, if we follow the step, we definitely achieve what we need. And I know with that business, I'm going to go far. Because my aim is to stretch it to Stenga, because I come from Stenga. I want to go as far as Stenga. That's my whole aim. Yeah, ngiyabonga ngalokho Kosh. Thank you for imfundiso yakho, and thank you for improving and upgrading my life. Because I know with 2026 I will achieve everything that I need. Ngifuna ukubonga kakhulu. And thanks for YouTube so that we can recap ezinye izinto. Sometimes when live we listen but we miss 1 or 2 things. But when I'm working I always recap on your videos. So they are helping me and changing me so much. Even at work, my boss is now my best friend. That she checks up on me. He check how I'm doing. Is everything fine? And I used to hate this woman. Actually, she's not. She's not. And ngiyabonga Khoshe kakhulu ngemfundiso yakho. Thank you.
Yeah, Brenda, siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga, I'm speechless, but it's well deserved. Yeah. Nami ngibonge kuwena ukuthi usitike kuyi-journey yakho ube honest kuyona. So nje siyabonga kakhulu. Konke okuhle kuwena.
Angibonge Khoshe. Angibonge family.
Danko. Bafowethu ke ngane zakwethu ngiyabona la ukuthi nibhalile nibongela uBrenda Musa. Ngiyabona la ngiyakubona we glow more. Ngiyakubona ubugcina uthe bad death rebirth yang sazoqhubeka lapho khululeka. Sisabungaza nansi ilokhungana la i-achievement nama blessings afikelayo lapha na ku Brenda Musa. Bafowethu niyazizwela ke nani? Niyazizwela? Yabona ngivele ngibe speechless. Because I still remember Brenda Musa doing a chart reading. I still remember. Yeah, the rest is history. The rest is history. But now it's like we are a sleeping phoenix. We are rising from ashes. Akujahwa kule ndawo le. Kule ndawo akujahwa bafowethu. Ma uthi ulindele ukuthi ma uza kimi mina ngikutshele ngama business opportunities amangaka, ngikutshele zonke into ezingaka, ngikutshele ngama angeke ngize ngikutshele mina lezo zinto. Mina ngizokutshela lokho engithunywa ukuthi ngikutshele kona bese kuba kuwena. Ma uthi inhliziyo yakho ingaphandle njengenkinobho zeshet, angazi lutho ke mina uzothini. Ngoba la kule ndawo kuyalindwa. Uma lithi just lakho wait and respond. Just for in the meantime, do do what lights your soul up. You like gardening, go out there. You like creating music, whatever you like. In the meantime, do it. There's nothing also respond again outside right now. Wait for things to come to you, and then when your sacral okokuqala lo okuphathelene ne-chart, okwesibili okuphathelene nawe nama-chakras akho, chakra balancing, pranayama, meditation, your spiritual journey, guys. And mina angazi onke umsebenzi ulele kumuntu. Hayi siyabonga kakhulu mfethu Brenda, siyabonga kakhulu. Vele nje into ezinhle siyayideserve bafethu, into ey-right siyayideserve. Omubi isitha, the fallen angels, the negative energy, the yin force ayikwazi ukuthi sicindezele. Thina sinikiwe amandla over everything. Siyabonga Brenda Musa for the gift. Sinikiwe amandla over everything. Sinikiwe amandla over everything. Singathreatenishwa ilama tricks amancane isithe siwabekayo la. Those are our stepping stone to go further. Those are our stepping stone. Now we know the truth. If you know the truth, phelile. Bonga kakhulu Brenda. Yo, it's such inspiring, good people. It's such an inspirational message esitholayo. We know ukuthi ke good people baningi abantu aseke beka ba reader ama charts, baningi abantu aseke ba engage nami, but angazi noma abantu ba aware yini ukuthi umsebenzi omkhulu ilo owenziwa uwe. Yabo, umsebenzi omkhulu ilo owenziwa uwena. Wena kumele ukuthi yabona bafethu, into yokuqala engiyibonayo ekhila abantu ilento yokuyiqhathanisa nalento yokubuka sengazuthi isikhathi siyahamba, yabo, nokungayithembi higher power. Umuntu abantu kuyaphuthuma nje. Yini ephuthumayo? Phuthumani? Phuthunyaphi? Yabo, yini ephuthumayo? Phuthunyaphi? Uzugcina usugeja ilento. Gejula yini? Well deserved mfethu. Yeah, bakubongela mfethu, naye nefamily yakubongela. Siyabonga kakhulu, siyabonga nalaba esabethe bamfollow uBrenda Musa. It's fine. Ngizocela ke mfethu futhi akumina ozosho lento. Akusimina ozosho lento. Izozenzekela yona Brenda Musa, izozenzekela yona. Yabona mina I was helped. And ngesikhathi masesivuma I helped others. And it's the same thing. Abantu, we don't do things for them. We enable them to do things for themselves. I know that's what Brenda Musa is going to do as well when the time is right, because siyafika isikhathi is right ukuthi now this thing is burning inside me and I see people suffering. Now let me share what I know to people. Then so isikhathi is right, let me share this with you. It's not that I have to give you chunk of money or I have to do what. If I do have some money I can give you, but if that one is temporal, but me giving you the right information, that one is permanent. Yabo, just give a man for fish for you, just fed a man for a day, but teaching a man how to fish, you just fed that man for the lifetime. Yabo, so it's catch strategy so free see disseminate the information. Yabo, well again ngicela ukulokho njalo bafethu ukuqhubeka ke. Yabo, ngicela ukuqhubeka ke oh now before ngiqhubeke ngicela ukuyivala ukuthi uma ukuthi ufuna ukwenza i-chart reading, ufuna ukubooka for i-chart reading yakho, bengicela ukuthi ke ube umuntu osuke uzoba naso isikhathi. Ngicela ube umuntu ozoba naso isikhathi u2 hours wazi ukuthi unawo. Yabo, ukuqala lokho ngoba ngiyayibona ukuthi abanye futhi le genge no gate 9 ibuye ibe hyper. Yabo, ibuye ibe hype ibe lapha. Ngiyacela ukuthi cease from doing that. Mawuzo book i-chart reading iba nesikhathi 2 hours banawo ukuthi okay uzoba nawo 2 hours ukulalela noku-engage. Yabo, angiphathele i-holy grail mina ne-holy grail ne-magic wand yokushintsha impilo yakho. Mina ngizokutshela into ezithile ngawe wena, wena ozoshintsha impilo yakho. Mina I'm not a scam who is going to sell you the dream. No, I'm going to tell you the truth. You have to wait and respond. If you're a generator, this is what you have. I don't have a magic wand. Yabo, so you are the one who's going to do the work. If you are focusing on the spiritual consultation, meditation, pranayama, lokungana and chakras, abantu basikenywe kakhulu ngoba befuna ukuthi kukhulunywe izinto abafuna ukuzizwa. Basikenywe kakhulu. Umuntu uvela afuna ukuthi wena uthi ukhulume lento ayifuna ezomenzela imali. Bafethu, imali ayivelize nje. You need an alignment. Baba. Thank you Nonku. Imali ayivelize nje. Imali isebenza with the very same laws lawo esikhuluma ngawo manje la. Imali ilandela the very same natural laws lawo esikhuluma ngawo. Muhluleka ukwagcina lowo man laws lawo. Imali nje uzoyizwa njengephunga njengeperfume. Yes. Muhluleka ukwagcina lowo man laws lawo. Other than that ke khona okunye devilish and terrible okumele ukuthi ukwenze ngomuhluleka ukugcina ama laws. These laws mele uwagcine lama laws lawo. Yabona ngithi sikhulume ngani manje? Nge-law of rhythm. Angithi sikhuluma nge-law of rhythm. I-law of rhythm ithi, thank you so much Nonku. Ithi yonke into bafethu ino birth, death and rebirth. So kusho ukuthini? Ake sibuke impilo yakho ke manje. Sengikhulumile ngenature ukuthi uyazi ukuthi kunobusuku kunemini. Angithi uyakwazi lokho. Kunobusuku kunemini. Ukubona ngithi umuntu uyazalwa akhule aphile bese yafa. Angithi uyakwazi lokho. Afa umzimba lo, yabo. Only to sometimes to go on with life ngendlela ethileke ezodetermine isoul yakhe, yabo. Thank you Yolanda. Yabo. Nakhona la buka la nemvula le. Angithi uyazi lento ekuthiwa ibani, sengikhohliwe lento ikhulunywa ngayo esikoleni. But ukuthi kuba khona iwater iya evaporator. Yes, only to what, to condense again ukuthi kube imvula. Angithi yabo. Water vapor condenses to form water. Angithi yini le icycle leyo. Angithi yabo. Icycle leyo. Yonke into ine rhythm kuyona. Ngifuna ukuthi le rhythm ye nature siyithathe ke manje silethe empilweni yakho ukuthi i-law of rhythm empilweni yakho ungayi-applya kanjani ukuze ungenzi izinto. Thank you so much Nels. Ukuze ungenzi izinto ezi against the natural laws, yabo. Umubarak uthi ungena nini live buti. Thank you Nels for the gift. Nginjani? Ngikukha sengish. Oh. Okay. Ngena nini live buti. Ngithuka sengishayisa kuwo. Thank you Nels. Live mfethu it just happened. Awunaso isikhathi kahle but it just happened ukuthi kuqondane umoya uvuma ukuthi njalo ngiSunday, yabo. Ngenzela njengoba ngingasho ukuthi ngikunika into eqondile ukuthi ungena kanje njalo ngo7 kuya ku 7:30 ngoSunday. Umoya wami uyithola ungivumela ukuthi ngikwenze lokho. Ngenzela ukuthi ungangibuzi ngesinye isikhathi ukuthi pho wangena ngoFriday namhlanje, pho wangena ngoSaturday, ngoba angizange ngisho ukuthi designated time. That is why ngithini umoya wami usangivumela ukuthi ngingene Sunday ngo7 ikona okusavumile. Ngelinye ilanga mase ungivumela ukuthi ngingene ngesinye isikhathi futhi kuzobe sekungivumela lokho. Sengadlula kulesiya sikhathi lesiya engangizibophezele khona. Thank you ukuthi njalo ngoSaturday ngo7 ngilive. Ngase ngiyasho futhi ukuthi angisenaso isikhathi sesibopho, yabo. So ke hambisana nomoya umoya musavuma, yabo mfethu kukanjalo. Kodwa futhi uma ulive ungawukhethanga la uzokwazi ukubamba ku YouTube later on, ne? Lapho ke I'll say yona phela real time sekucatch up. My kind of topics. Yeah, Sandy. Sawubona Sandy mfethu impi yonke siyakumukela. Asibheke impilo yakho ke manje. Asibheke impilo yakho. Impilo yakho yaqala kwaukuthi wena uba ingane. Waba ingane kulobo bungane bakho nakhona kulobo bungane bakho wabuyibona kwakukhona icycle khona lapho ukuthi wafike wenza njani, wafunda igrade ethile, wahlangana nabantu abathile, nadla ikhaftini nabo kwamnandi only to ukuthi uphinde ubashiye labo bantu abanye bafeyila abanye kwenzekani abanye bahamba bashintsha izikole wadlulela kwenye next grade sekwenye into futhi leyo ke manje usuzoqala kabusha enye grade sukunabanye abantu and all of those things. That is just a piece nyana engaka omunye unyaka manje ngaleso sikhathi is different. You starting something else, starting new subjects and all of those things. Konke lo uyabona ukuthi kulo piece nyana ngikhuluma ngawo unyaka nje loyo owodwa. Within lo nyaka zikhona futhi nalezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo kulowo nyaka ngoba impilo injani ifractal guys. Life is fractal. Angithi uyazi ukuthi kune minute kunema minutes kunama seconds awu 60 akha lo ma seconds akha I minute kunama minutes awu 60 akha lo ma minutes akha I hour kunama hour awu 24 akha lo ma hours akhusuku kuneyinsuku ezu7 zakhani zakha iviki kunama viki awu 4 akhani akinyanga kunezinyanga ezu12 ezakhani ezakhunyaka. Uyayibona lonto lento is a repetition of a cycle. Uyabo impilo ifractal i pattern. There is a pattern within a pattern. Uyayizwa lonto. So within that short pattern ukuthi wena ukwi-grade ethile unabangani abathile nenza izinto ngendlela ethile kwaphela unyaka ya dissolve lonto asikhohliwe njalo ukuthi within the year there was a fractal foot again. Umuve mase sibuka on a broader scale kwakuyimpilo yakho yase primary leyo yaphinde yaphela lo mpilo yase primary. Yes, thank you so much so yaphinde yaphela leyo mpilo leyo yakho yase primary ya dissolve only ukuthi kuqale impilo enye futhi manje yase high school. Ngitsho yabo seyiphelile leyampilo yase nayo leyampilo yase primary ibinezimpilo phakathi kuyona ebekumele ziphele nazo lezo mpilo. Kuqala impilo manje angisho yabo ukuthi impilo kunento ekuthiwa imacro kunento ekuthiwa imicro. Angisho yabo izinto zenzeka on a micro level only to reflect on a macro level. Ngisho yabo kusho ukuthi impilo yakho nawe uma ufuna ukuyibamba awukwazi ukuyibamba on a macro level because macro, a bigger scale of your life, is manufactured by a micro level, a smaller scale of your life, of which uma ufuna ukubamba impilo yakho ibamba on a micro level. Which one is the micro level? Awukwazi ukuvuna onyakeni uhlulekile ukwenza izinto enyangeni naleyo nyanga uhlulekile ukwenza izinto esontweni wahluleka ukwenza izinto osukwini wahluleka ukwenza izinto kwi-minute. Kusho ukuthi masihlela wena uvuna kuphi? Uvuna onyakeni ngoba khona into oyenzile esikhathini esingaka kwi-present moment. The only thing that matters the most in your life is the present moment. What is that decision that you are taking each and every given moment in your life? What decision are you taking? Because you cannot tell me you are going to have a great day if in the present moment you are consistently making silly mistakes. You are constantly acting against your will. You are going to have a terrible day. Those terrible days are going to accumulate to a terrible week, to a terrible month. At the end of the month, you are reaping a terrible month. How so are you going to reap a terrible year? How so? This is a fractal. This is a fractal. This is a pattern within a pattern. There is a lot. A pattern within a pattern. So that is the structure that life follows. Okuthi yaphela impilo yakho yabona makupheli hour akushiwo ukuthi makupheli hour seyiphelile impilo uqale elinye hour. Yonke into ephelayo kuba khona into ezalwayo. Yonke into ephelayo kuba khona into ezalwayo. Uma iphela le impilo yakho le oyiphila namhlanje kuzoqala enye impilo futhi. Uyayizwa leyo nto? Ukuphela kokunye ukuqala kokunye. life is infinite. Isho ukuthini lento? Iyeke into ekumele iphele khona kuzokwazi uqala enye. Ungami endleleni yento ekumele ife. Bayeka abantu ekumele bahambe. Bayeka abantu ekumele bafike. Musa ukubambelela ezintweni ezindala ngoba sometimes they are no longer serving you. Makumele usuke kuleyo ndawo, suka. Musa ukubambelela ezintweni ebona kahle ukuthi they are no longer serving the purpose. Musa ukubambelela kwi-friendship that is no longer serving the purpose. Musa ukubambelela kwi-family obona kahle ukuthi this family no longer serve my unique and individual purpose. Go your way. Hlanganani ngendlela ethile lekho benihlangana ngakho angazi ukuthi akusafani because the way of thinking have changed for you. Sekumele nihlangane kwenye i-level, not the very same level enanihlangana kuyona. So izinto ziyafa only ukuthi zizalwe kabusha. Kwamukele lokho. So that you won't keep things that no longer serve you in your life. Wadlula empilweni yase primary, angithi wadlula empilweni yase primary. Waye empilweni yase high school. Wawungabambelela kanjani empilweni yase primary ngoba seyimele ife ukuze iqale impilo yase high school. That is another rhythm. That is another chapter. Things they are born, die only for them to be reborn. Waqala impilo yase high school. Nakhona lapho kwimpilo yase high school yaphinde yaphela. Kwaqala enye impilo futhi. Impilo ihamba kanjalo. I-rhythm leyo. Engikutshela yona kulokho ake sibukelana ke manje. Asisakhulumi ke ngalokho. Sesikhuluma ngokuthi ke manje in your life njengamanje. Impilo iphila manje uhlobo lwempilo ethile ezophela nayo kuqale enye futhi. Akekho umuntu ostatic kulempilo. But there's something that you should put in your mind. There's something that you should be aware and perceptive of. We are constantly moving. Khona abantu ababeqashile la, babephila impilo yokuthi baqashile and kwakumele iphele baphila impilo yokuthi sebenemizi. That is another state of life that is completely different from that one. And ukuba nemoto is a totally different life as well. Yabo? So, impilo guys is constantly moving and constantly changing. That is a rhythm. Yabo? That is a rhythm. There are people that will come, there are people that will go in your life. But ungami ke endleleni ye rhythm. Iba ne harmony hambisana nani ne-universe. Kunesikhathi esifikayo ekungesokukhala empilweni yakho. Kuba neso sikhathi izinto zingahambi kahle. Bese kuba nesikhathi sokujabula. Yazi ukuthi uma kufika isikhathi sokujabula siyeza nesikhathi sokukhala. Uma kufika isikhathi sokukhala siyeza nesikhathi sokujabula. Yes. Nansi into engifuna ukuqaphelisa yona. Kukhona abantu abafuna ukujabula bengakaze bekhale. Ngisho ukuthini mangisho njalo? Ngokwe law of rhythm ithi u-negative will always supersede. Angithi ngeke ngakhuluma law of polarity la. Will always supersede u-positive. Okusho ukuthi i-pain will always supersede, the pain will always precede, and not supersede, I mean precede. The pain will always precede the pleasure. Okusho ukuthi if wena you have no pain that you are going through, there is no pleasure that accompanies that pain you are going through. Yabo? Shuthi wena ngamanye amazwi kune pain okumele uthi go through kuyona ehambisana ne pleasure yaleyo pain. Lokho kusho ukuthini? Awukwazi ukuzithola sewusicebi sowuphila impilo ebuthebelele ingekho into that you have suffered or enjoyed before that. Wena nje manje uyasebenza. What have you done? Wafunda wane degree, angithi? Uma ukuthi awuzange uzofunda ube ne degree, yonke into nayo oyibenefitayo manje, there is a preceding pain for that. It's a down payment that you pay. Akekho umuntu ovela win engazange aze ukudlala. Yes. Akekho umuntu ovela win engazange ayodlala. So manje kusho ukuthi the greater the pain, the greater the pleasure The smaller the pain, the smaller the pleasure. So if when now you think in your life you are going to be someone who is exceptional and extraordinary, if you think in your life at some point in time you are going to be exceptional and extraordinary, it means now you should be going through extraordinary things. There's a down payment that you are doing that is extraordinary and exceptional. That no one is doing. Yabo? Right now in your life. You can't tell us ukuthi wena uzoba into enkulu lapha phezulu ekhekheni ingekho into yenzayo manje. By now uma ukuthi nocabanga ukuthi uyoba into serious kakhulu empilweni, kumele kube khona into serious njengamanje wena oyenzayo engenziwa umuntu. You can't do as other people do and expect that you are going to be different from them. Many people don't budget, many people don't save, and many people don't invest. If when you think you are going to follow that pattern and you think you're gonna be the best of the best amongst them, you are fooling yourself. Someone asked me ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi wena changes mangabe ukuthi wena we spend kuzomela utrack each and every rand ukuthi liyapi ngisho ukuthi uphi umuntu u5 rand mele utrack lokho. I mean, if you think you are going to be an extraordinary person, you should be doing extraordinary things. Pain, pleasure. That's a rhythm. That's a rhythm. Ukhona yini umuntu owake wayithola edla izithelo zesihlahla engazange aze asitshale alinde sikhule? Ukhona wakwenza lokho? Akekho. Uma ukuthi wena awuzukusitshala isihlahla kodwa ufuna ukudla ama fruit, khona indlela ekumele ukuthi wenze ngayo. Kodwa you will never escape the law. You will never escape the law. Kuzomela ukuthi ulithenge ifruit uma ungenathi isihlahla ositshalile. Kuzomela ulithenge ifruit, and ukulithenga kuzomela ukuthi uthi go through the pain of getting that money. Awunasi isihlahla sayo imali. Kuzomela ukuthi go through the pain of having that money to buy that fruit, because when you don't have what? The tree. You did not suffer the pain esufferisho umuntu elinda echelela isihlahla sakhe lo utshala ama fruit. Angithi wena you did not go through that pain. Wena uzothi go through I pain yokuhlukana nemali yakho ulithenga lelo fruit lelo. You can't keep a penny and a piece of cake at the same time. You can't keep it both. You have to lose one. You can't keep it both. A penny and a piece of cake at the same time. Never. Never on Sunday. There's something you need to lose to gain the other one. That's a rhythm. That's a rhythm. Abantu abafuna escape lo mthetho benza njani? Ayakuthwala. Abanye benza njani? Babamba inkunzi, and they think they're going to escape that pain. They're going to escape that law. No. You are enjoying the money. You did not work hard for it. You think you are escaping the law. You can't escape the law. You can't escape the law. That's what you should know. In any way, shape, or form. Someone today is enjoying the luxurious life, money, but we are gadwa. Akakho free. Akekho free. We are gadwa. Akekho free nje at all. Akawazi ukuphuma nje kade ngiphumile nje ngiphume nezingane engiyosha umoya ngaphandle ukuthi ngigadwe ngenza into engithanda ukuyenza. Yena unayo impela imali, akanayo appetite yokudla lo mali. Angithi yena went through the shortcut of having all that luxurious life. Now there is a part now that says you can't enjoy that money freely. You can't. Angithi there's a pleasure. You started with the pleasure, ne? Now here comes the pain. Thank you, TC. Now here comes the... You cannot... If there's a pleasure, there's going to be a pain. If there's pain, there's going to be a pleasure. Yes? omunye uzobuza ke athi uma i-rhythm ihamba kanjalo ithi pain pleasure pho laba aba-enjoy i-pleasure ngakuchaza kwividiyo edlule leyo ukuthi pho laba aba-enjoya i-pleasure bona i-pain ibe nini sesibuyela kwi-past life lapho sesibuyela kwi-past life ayikho into efayo everything is dying for it to be reborn so probably in the past life there was a pain ne that precedes that pleasure yabo ever since there are so many causal planes yabo ever since there are so many causal planes yabona ke sengikutshelile ke ukuthi ayikho shortcut kunomthetho ke la before ngizo kumthetho lo ngisekwi law of rhythm nje kuyona le law of rhythm engikhuluma ngayo kune swing to the left ne swing to the right kwazi lokho siyakhala siyahleka ne oyibheka ke lento noma kunomuntu nasemsebenzini thola ukuthi one day niyazwana nalomuntu maybe 1 week or 1 day whatever the case or duration of leo swing yenu leo rhythm yenu niyazwana next day anzwana 1 week niyazwana next week anzwana 3 days niyazwana 2 days anzwana uthola ukuthi nje kunaleyo lokungana nje this time we get along this time we don't get along yabo so don't take it personal one day kumnandi emsebenzini next day akukho kumnandi emsebenzini one day is this one kusho ukuthi ayikho into static kwazi lokho one day kwi family is like this next day is like this one day nomuntu wami we get along next day we don't get along one moment simnandi next moment asikho mnandi one moment ngiyazenza izinto emele ngizenze ngidla healthy ngejimini next moment I'm eating junk I don't go to gym yabo it's a rhythm one day you are doing what you have to do next day you don't do it it's just a rhythm the greatest glory never lies in never falling but waking up every time we fall Nelson Mandela yabo so when by the time let me tell you something there was a rhythm mina before ngiye utshwala angivelanga nje ngasuka nje ngabiyeka nje totally ngithi na ngiyabiyeka utshwala nogwaye there was a rhythm just like there was a rhythm ngesikhathi ngibuqala futhi there was a rhythm eyenzeka before ngibuqala utshwala ngiphuze nginokubhema there was also a rhythm when I was exiting as well because there was a rhythm that I studied when I was drinking it again there is a rhythm in everything I just became aware of the rhythm that is happening when I drank alcohol yabo I was just aware of the rhythm and then I started that rhythm akuvelanga nje kwabalula kanjalo so I rhythm ke yayisho ukuthi ke okay njalo mangiphuzile kuzokwenzeka kanje ngabona I rhythm leyo njalo mangiphuzile kwenzeka kanje lezinto engazifundi zenzeka kanje mangiphuzile I studied that rhythm okay mangiphuzile this is what is happening and I don't like that let me see if I did not drink there's no pattern there ayikho le rhythm okay let me see if I drink there's this rhythm okay I got it then let me try to leave alcohol because I don't like this rhythm and cigarettes as well let me try I try uyeke isikhashana and then uphinde uyeke isikhashana uphinde ubuyele ngabona now there's a rhythm again yokuthi there's a time la khona ngingaphuzi khona izinto zingihambele kahle there's a time la ngiphuza khona izinto zingangihambeli kahle now I have to catch the rhythm yini ke manje eyenza ukuthi le rhythm imove kanje, yini engenza ngibuyele khona ekuphuzeni? Let me be watchful of those things. Yiziphi izinto ezingenza ngibuyele khona, yabo? And I become watchful of those things. Oh, nazi izinto ezingenza ngibuyele khona. And then let me get rid of these things again now. It's a rhythm. Life is all about the rhythm. Yabo? Like, don't take things like permanently. Nothing is permanent. Everything is temporal. It's just a rhythm. Now, I'm enjoying now the state of me not drinking alcohol. Now life is totally different. Ne? And it was so exciting. Thank you, Yolanda. It was so exciting by the time ngisanda qala ukuyeka nje ukucwana nje. So exciting. Yonke izinto zingimangaza. Wow. Thank you, Mother Nature. Thank you. Zingimangaza into wow. Yo manifesto changes ongaphuza. Zingimangaza izinto ukuthi wow. Thank you for thank you so much. But kwaya ngokuya ngakujwayela ukuthi ngu-changes ongaphuzi ongabhemi. Now it is normal for me. Yabo? Odlo kwakhe. Thank you. Now it is normal for me ukuthi oh my life now I am changes ongaphuzi ongabhemi. It was exciting ekuqaleni because things were happening in a very different way. Wow. But now it's normal for me again. I'm not drinking, I'm not smoking. Yabo? And lezi zinto ezenzekalayo to have this and there's extra cash here and there, things flowing smooth and ama hiccups angikwazi ukudila nawo showing up every time. Ngoba into yokuqala notshwala kuzoyenza kuzokwenza ungakwazi ukushow up. Yabo? You don't show up in things. In a meeting you don't show up, you were drunk. There's these serious things you don't show up. Yabo? So now you show up like you're so hlelekile. Now it's normal. Okay, this is the life. Now it's normal. I'm done about that life. Now it is this life. And this life is normal. I'm starting from ground zero now. I'm starting from ground zero. My receptors have been reset and I'm starting from ground zero. It's like I'm normal now. Anything I have to work above now. Now it's another cycle now. It's like it's normal. It's like now you feel like there's no achievement. That is why kumele ube grateful khona because into bakahadu yilwela because imqondo yethu idaliwe ukuthi ayikwazi kunalento ekuthiwa ibani ngiyalikhohla leli gama leli but leyanto isho ukuthi imqondo yethu izoreseta. Yabo? Imqondo yethu izoreseta to ilokhungana. Ayikwazi ukuhandlisha ukuthi ihlezi makwenzeke something a crisis kuwena umqondo wakho uzobuya ureset ube used to that crisis. Yabo? Uma kwenzeka into extraordinary that is amazing umqondo wakho uzobuya ureset to the baseline. Yabo? So now manje umqondo kwi baseline. It's like now this thing is normal, this life is normal. I need something extra now. Yabo? I need something extra. Now I have to start to work my way up. Koda, that is where kumele ukuthi ube grateful, exercise gratitude and compare yourself with the previous life that you were living. Khona uzobona ukuthi you need to be grateful. Yabo? Don't take things for granted. 6 months down the line, umuntu 6 months 1 year, umuntu adijathuliswa imoto ayisamjabulisi lo muntu leyo. Ekade imjabulisile. It's normal now. It's your car. It's your car now. It's normal. You can't be excited for the rest of the time unale moto. It's neutral. That is why we have abantu abasemzini engama mention kodwa they are terrible inside those big mention having that money, that chunk of money. Thank you, Mother Nature. And those vehicles that they have, they feel terrible with those vehicles, with those mention and whatever, all that money they have, they feel terrible. Why? It's normal now. It's normal. It's just normal. And the thing is, what else? In fact, the dopamine rises so much and be motivated when you are working towards achieving that dream, that is where you have the sense of vision and purpose. By the time you achieve that dream, the dopamine spike drops down. Yeah, the dopamine spike drops because the dopamine is for you to be motivated to achieve that dream. Once you achieve that dream, it's done. Dopamine drops, homeostasis neutral. And then now tell me if you do all the horrible things to get what you want to get, what do you think is happening when now you realize that these things are normal? What do you think happens? That is why I say to you, don't ever try or do horrible things for you to have all these luxurious things, because you won't feel the same. You won't feel the same. Now for me, it's the law of rhythm. In my life now, I'm at the beginning of another cycle. This cycle is also going to end, and I'm going to begin another cycle. So wazi lokho empilweni yakho ukuthi i-law of rhythm is everywhere. Kulona le law of rhythm kunento ekuthiwa yini i-law of neutralization. Kwi-law of rhythm kunethiwa i-law of neutralization. Thank you, Zoe. I-law of neutralization ithi when a cycle, because the pendulum moves like this, left right. I-law of neutralization ithi consciously, when a pendulum is taking you to the other pole, wena thatha ifocus yakho uyibeke lapha ya ofisa wena khona, ungavumi ukuthi ikuswingele to the opposite direction. That is the law of neutralization. That is a mental transmutation. Let me make an example. Uyabona impilo yakhe ihamba kahle, yonke into is smooth, yabo kuhamba kahle konke, mawune business kuyathengwa, you get this, you get that. But all of a sudden it's like, boo, you are hitting the stumbling block. It's like now usuyaqala uthi hayibo, kwenzakalani manje empilweni? Kwenzakalani now? Ilapho ke khona iswing siyabuya to the opposite direction, yabo. So when I don't allow ukuthi pendulum ithathe to the opposite direction, the negative pole, take your attention to your desired state. Focus on what goes great. Be grateful. This is what I have. Oh, why people are like this? Oh, now the swing is taking you this. Once the swing is taking you like this, usizoqala manje kube ukuthi wenza njani? Usu-engage nabantu kabi, usuyaqala uyabonakala ukuthi usuwenza izinto zibe worse. Awusabona ukuthi wena i-pendulum is swinging to a negative direction now. Wena okwakho ukuthi uthathe attention uyibeke lapho ukuthi things are still going to be better as well, ngoba ngeke phela kuhlezi ku right njalo nje, yabo. So wena okwakho ukuthi usebenzise neutralization, ubone ukuthi okay, now abantu kade bengithanda, it's like abantu manje sekukhonto bayibonanga, angathi abasangifuni. How okay, abasangibingeleli. Oh okay, how abantu abasanginotice. Okay, now sengithatha ama scratch emoto. Why things now are like falling apart like this? Now when you are taking the attention, you are focusing on those things, that is where you will get it wrong, because the pole is going to take you to the opposite direction, and it will be hard for you to move back to where you were. Yabo? And if you exercise a neutralization, focus on what is going well intentionally, and know even this is not permanent. Kuzodlula nakho lokho. Oh, ngibroke manje, nakho kuzodlula lokho. Yazi kade nginemali nje, hawu mina kade nginemali nje. Don't allow ukuthi iphole ithathe ikushonsele, ngoba mikuthatha ikushonsele kusho ukuthi you are going to do horrible things in the name yokuthi things are not going well. Kanti wena now you are allowing the pole to take you, yabo. Wena shona phansi uphinde uvuka, or you just mama uzigagase awuvumi ukuthi igagasi ukuthi likushaye likushonisele, awukuvumeli lokho. Uyavumela ukuthi ilingo zidlule, noma you just rise above, yabo, you just rise above. Ngoba khona umuntu okuwukuthi izinto zimhambela kahle, kodwa mase sezimhambela kabi uyakhohlwa ukuthi zike zamhambela kahle, and sisazoqhubeka zihambe kahle, and then ipole isimthathe yamshonisa le, lento ifana nokuthini ifana nokuthi uthi wena uma usesigabeni sokuthi yazi ngaze ngabroke kanti angisakujwayele bese wena uhluleke ukuyibamba ukuthi ake ngibabuka abantu bebhiyoza ngezimali zabo ngibroke yeah, let me accept the situation, but we are trying to fight it uthi no man mina ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngiyayiphatha imali bese uyahamba wena uyakumashonisa wena uyoboleka should lesi sigatshana esincane sikuficile ukuthi ungabi namali wasenza sa worse ngitsheleke uzo enjoya nini futhi leya poll kade ukuyona wena i-positive poll engala ngoba manje ususalelo ukuthi ke usu on the other side yokubhekana nani nomashonisa angithi usubhekene naye ke manje i-poll isikuthathile yakuswingisa phi ngala okuwukuthi wena ukujabula kwakho sokuzoba ukuthi wena usukweleta umashonisa imali encane kodwa kade umkweleta imali enkulu so wena your happiness sekuyi lower sadness. Your happiness is now a lower sadness, is a small sadness. That is your happiness because now you have taken yourself to the extreme of the negative vibration. Then the small negative becomes your happiness. Yeah, because when you were on the other pole, your happiness, you have money, things are flowing there, and then you find yourself broke now. All of a sudden, can't what is happening? And then when now we are born, to compensate for that, let me borrow. And then you borrow. Once you borrow, okay. Okusho wena injabulo yakho sizoba ukuthi usungikweleta imali encane yona injabulo yakho le ngoba wena kade ungikweleta imali enkulu kodwa ukhumbuthe ubusukaphi injabulo yakho bekuthi awukweleti umuntu at all but now so ukuthi injabulo yakho ukweleta imali encane uyabo ukuthi you have taken yourself from the extreme all the way to the other side. You allowed the pole to take you to the extreme level. Ama comment enu guys nzobe ngwafunda. That was the law of rhythm. I've said mouthful about the law of rhythm already. It seems like God wanted me to talk about the law of rhythm only today, because I have to go through your comments. Because if I'm still going to talk about the law of cause and effect, there's a lot that I still have to say. Yeah, there's a lot that I still have to say. But we can just dwell on this, or let me read your comment first before I go on, or I allow you to request. I'll see after I've gone through your comments what transpires, because I strongly believe that your comments are also important ukuthi ngizwe ngoba khona abanye abafuna clarity here and there, yabo. Into emnandi ke mawubhalile umbuzo la waso uyaphuma wena ngingakafika embuzweni wakho mase ulalela ku YouTube umbuzo wakho kube ukuthi nguphendulile mawukuthi ubuclear, yabo. Mawukuthi usuya recap lapha ku YouTube angithi uyayizwa le nto leyo ku YouTube ke ngu-changes akasha ku YouTube. For human design charts reading, good people, say book a link every bio. You want to know more about yourself, you are going to book with the link on the bio. You want to know more about the spirituality or whatever service, spiritual abundance consultation. Yini njengangenza ukuthi ngiyitshele ukuthi lesi sigaba sempilo engikusona manje sekuyisona nje sekuphelele nje. Yini engangenza ukuthi nje ngiyitshele lokho ngoba kune rhythm ayifani impilo kade uyiphila few years ago. Ngisho ngabe kuthiwa kunjani ayizufana, i-rhythm ihlezi ikhona. Kune micro rhythm and macro rhythm, yabo. Angazi lento ngizokubekisela kanjani. It's the scale is just expanding. Okuncane kukhona kukhulu. le rhythm oyibona entweni encane ikhona in your entire life. Yabo? Umuntu ake yazi mina ngangike ngiyibuza. Ngithi mina kuthiwa ngazalwa ubaba nomama kanjani njoba ngimngaka nje. Yayingiconfuse la nto kanjani, what happened? Yabo? The technical part ukuthi what happened. Yabo? Ubaba ke umuntu vele owayigulela ngempela ke nje ngekhanda engadlali. Ubaba wekhuluma into efikayo nje le ngayisikhathi sesifika ngaso la. Yabo? Ya wekhulu by ndoba ngithi we by the way washwa no 2002. Waye uthola ukuthi siyageza emfuleni badlula abantu. Siyageza. Ngiyabonga Yolanda, thank you so much. Siyageza abantu badlula lapha ke emakhaya ke sasingenankinga nje ukuthi uyageza nangu umuntu uyadlula akunankinga nje. Ngiyageza nobaba la. Yabo? Esinqunu futhi ayikho inkinga. Thola ukuthi kudlule omunye mhlawumbe ongangayo baba noma untanga wabo noma abefunda naye wale. How? Siyasho hey sibani ingane yakho le. Hayi yona ingane yami le. Hey sokhuliseka ngawo. Hayi sengikhulisile. Iyakho impela ethi iphuma kuleli sende leli. How? Ngayibamba lento ukuthi iphuma kuleli sende leli. Ngayibamba leyo. Manje mase ngibuka kanjani njoba ngimngaka mina. Phela ngithi siyageza naye la. Baba umuntu ohlanyest nje ever. Siyageza na kanjani? How? What happened? Now, why I'm sharing this? As time goes by, I understood ukuthi kanjani he process. But what I want to point you towards ilento yokuthi now lokho kwasuka kuye kahle kuhamba kuya kumangali kwi-sperm cell kunayo yonke information le kwi-sperm cell just one ngoba phela akukuningi kwabe isodwa nje mayisodwa sishaya iqanda sinayo yonke information ukuthi kwakheke lo changes umbona akudingekanga into ecomplicated kwadinga just a little thing enayo yonke information and then here we are. Okusho ukuthi just one moment where just one defining moment when you can script your whole life. Kusho ukuthi ukuba serious kwempilo yakho akulele eminyakeni kulele only in a single moment. The whole entire life of yours ilele with single moment. Just a single moment there is a game changer for your life. Just a single moment. That is why akudinganga ukuthi kuze kwenzekaleni. It was just a single moment eyasasa umuntu yamfaka ejele. Just one single moment eyascript impilo yakho ukuthi ayithole sasejele. Yabo? And it was just one single moment eyenza umuntu ukuthi ayithole namhlanje esebenza lo msebenzi osebenzayo. Every time in the moment we are faced with a script. That script isenza ukuthi sithatha ama decisions athile. Lo ma decisions they accumulate to a life path, a different direction of your life. Bese umbuzo uthi wena inqumo uyithatha in the present moment every time zisuke zinayiphi inhlese behind what is attributable to your decisions, because ama decisions owathathayo kune script behind them. There's a script behind them ukuthi wena what you believe to be true. So that is a defining moment about your life. For you to choose this over this, there is a reason, there is a script running in the background. Awuvelanga nje wena wasuka nje wazothanda into ethi Adidas nje wawuyazelaphi. There was a script behind. wawuyazi lapha Adidas awuvelanga nje wena wasuka nje wathi kuyimanje ngaqhamukela nengubo mina ebhala ukuthi la Japaru ngikubekele yona la nayi Japaru nayi Adidas wena uzothatha Adidas why there's a script behind awuyazi Japaru wena awazi lutho ngeJaparu ne awazi focus there's no script awuyazi awukazi uyibone awazi noma iyabiza igqoka abanje you have no script behind the Japaru you don't even know even that's Japaru igama engiqhamuka nalo manje yabo you don't even know but there's a script for you to pick the Adidas over the Japaru. So when you think your decisions we are free from them, there's a script behind your decisions. And the question is, whose script are you mimicking when you are making decisions in your life? Whose script? Are your scripts no or societal scripts? Namhlanje uthenga imoto. What script was playing? Namhlanje wenza ukuthi what script was playing, because these scripts that are playing in our minds, if those scripts are not ours, it means we are living somebody else's lives. Yabo? We are living somebody else's life because there's a script that is playing with, okay, now because you are waking, what is expected? Whose script is playing? Societal script. Yeah? Did you really choose that one? No, you didn't really choose. If you can go down and nullify it, you will figure out what you did not choose that. You are not free. There was a script that was confining you to choose what you chose. You are not acting out of a free will, but it was an illusion. It's just a free will. No, there's a script that is playing behind. We are forced to, but subconsciously. Subconsciously. Leyo nto engizokhuluma ngayo le ngikuchazayo manje iyothinta ilaw of gender ngale gcineni, the final law esizokhuluma ngayo mhla sikhuluma ukuthi whose script is playing in your mind, which script are you mimicking. Ithinta ilaw of gender on the other side. Let me go through the comments. Ngiqale lapha na kunkele ethi amen. Ngize kuMosi uthi ngicela sibuyele ogcine khona uma uthi how do we do the law of soul. Thank you so much. The law of what? Where Mos Thokozani Shongwe, truly this December I want to spend time alone. I can't stand my family and friends, even the community. If that's what you feel deep down from your heart, then probably that's what is right. Because we respond with our sacral. What does your sacral tell you? What does your inner authority tell you? Zo uthi ngikuzwa kahle mina ukufa kwenye ukuvuka kwenye. Yes, kunjalo zo. Uthi Mosi, yes, I'm not in the mood. People, they are not in the mood of their family. Ngayichaza ke indaba yefamily ukuthi kungana ama families they are disintegrating. It's because of the universal consciousness program that is happening. Families, churches, schools, governments, traditional leaders, monarchy, those things are going to shut down, dissolve slowly but surely. The beginning time of that is 2027. So it's not that it is you. It is the consciousness program. We are about to experience a new cycle of life that is beginning in 2027. That will last for the next 400 years, because the cycle that we are currently in started in 1616. That was the cross of planning, family, community. There is a lot. That is why now it is dissolving. We are by the end of it. Most you think I think and do things differently now. Yeah, people are engaging there. Msuthu Ngwenya uthi in life experience every moment because life is a race. yeah, endless race, ne? You don't come to the finishing line, so that is why you shouldn't be like someone who is just in a treadmill. Yabo? Mm. Okay, unhlanhla le kotoko Dumelang family, dumela nhlanhla, dumela kuthiwa dumela ntate. Hayi noma kuthiwa ntate. Ngaze ngithuka inhlamba, angithi nje sawubona molo. Injalo nje kusho lapho Mother Nature uthi horrible king. Injalo nje ma horrible king. Yeah. Yolanda xolile uthi ke mina ukusebenza sengikubona kungasangiyiniki ipurpose, ngibona ngathi ngikwi game ngithi ngithi I Candy Crush. Yeah, ipurpose ke, create your own purpose, ne? Just create your own purpose. Maswazi lento esizaziyo thina ukusebenza ukubuka ngamanye amehlo. Nhlanhla I'm late but futhi nakho kuyini kuyi-part of ini i-phase ethile yempilo vele, angithi yabo akufuneka usebenze uyo kahle kahle. Mina mfethu ayi lento yokusebenza is not meant ukuthi, it was not meant ukuthi usebenze uzoguga like uzoshaya 65. No guys, no. Yes, we find ourselves silapho, but it's not meant to be like that. Kahle ya being chewed like a chewing gum. Uma uphela ushepisi bese ulahlelwa lapha, akufanele kube njalo. Uma ucabanga ukuthi wena kumele ngempela kube njalo for your own life, yo, I don't wanna judge you. Isigaba leso yabo sempilo. I-system by the way phela into ya design. Nhlanhla le kotoko uthi late, no awukho late mfethu. Uma ukuthi you believe ukuthi late, you can catch up ku YouTube. Changes are cash on YouTube. Nails, can't wait for my pleasure as I'm going through the most. It will depend on the decisions. Ngishilo ngathi amehlo, if you are going through the pain, amehlo mele wabeke on the other side. Mele ile actually law of neutralization. Ma uthi uvuma ipain ukuthi kuthatha kusweye to the other side, izokuthatha kuzoba nzima ukubuyela on the other side. Msizwe uthi no pain no gain, kunjalo nje. La nisoke engage khona oh yeah, okay. Now I get you guys. Funa ukubona ukuthi ke kukhona yini ngiyajabula mangabe ukuthi guys niya engage, like you are engaging. I'm happy ukuthi siyakhulisana sisonke la as a community. Lapana uthi bana umsizwist uthi hey mfethu plus you can't. Yes, kunjalo nje Brenda Musa. This thing of pranayama, chakra balancing and meditation, yes, it's key. It's key. And the consistency lapho. Mos ukhona owa understand i-assignment kwi-past. Ukhona owa understand i-assignment. Anganje uyabuza or uyasho. Thokozani Shongwe uthi true. Uzokuthi everything comes with a lesson, whether good or bad. Okwethu ukuthi sibukisise. Absolutely. Mother Nature uthi asay. Msizwe sti very true. I wish ukuba esontweni kukhulunywa njengawe abantu basehlathini emasontweni. Yeah, when the student is ready, the master will appear. When the student is ready, the master will appear. Ngakho ngithi abekho already. You have to accept when things get bad in life. Kunjalo nje. Acceptance is the first step towards a highest vibration. Xoliswa Dlamini Amelo sanibonani sawubona odlo kwakhe. You mean we should maintain equilibrium? Yep. Life is all about balance, well. Prudy, how are you? We are great, Prudy. And we are hoping that you are also great. Yalen, how do you cope with life? You cope with life by not attaching negative meanings in everything that you are coming across. Uyahleka odlo kwakhe mapiswa Sibureki wamubuza kodwa ukuthi kanjani. Cha ukhuluma ngale nto ade ngikhuluma ngayo kababa ngimibuzanga. Rumi Nature's Rhythm. Hi booty. Nature's Rhythm, hi. Sikhuluma ngetopic ephathelene negama lakho la, Nature's Rhythm. There's a rhythm in nature. Yabona? There's a rhythm in nature. Can please clarify what is sacral? Sacral is an energy center. Kwi chakra Hindu system. Elapha, that has to do with your pleasure and reproduction. Yabo? Sacral there. Biologically, the sacral is down there. There's a bone down there on your abdomen. That is called sacral. Buddhi, is it bad to dream of a grave? Noma ngaphiwanga ke we Rumi emaphusheni. Emaphusheni phela I cannot lie ngani yakwethu. You just have your own meaning. There are people who are good at clarifying dreams and giving meanings to dreams, but mina angiphiwanga leso siphiwo leso. But as for a grave yokungcwaba ne, it's an end of something, beginning of something. So it's symbolical. Vele nto ephupha symbolical. Yabo? And allegorical. Angithi yabo ukuthi it's just the sungabheka na empilweni yakho kuhamba kanjani is kodwa it's a death. It's death kahle kahle. It's death. Ukuthi ukufa kwani ke noma ukufa kwephase ethile empilo yakho noma ukufa kwento ethile noma ukuhlukana kwabantu abathile nokuqala kodwa nje uyabona ukuthi khona igrave ngiyazi ukuthi according to my own understanding ngiyaxoxa nje hayi ukuthi mhlambe ngiyakunika i-revelation or what ngane ngiyaxoxa nje ukuze nawe ukwazi ukuthi uqhathanise izinto ezithile mawuphupha. Yabo? but ke angiphiwa ngempela ngalapho. Xoliswa uthi ke hey I choose to leave umsebenzi ngenxa ya support. Ngiyawukhumbula manje umsebenzi wami. How? Kanjani manje? Kwakuyingenxa ya support futhi. Aw. Shuthi you did not respond from your sacral, you responded from your mind. You made a decision with your mind. Surely khona into ayisho ukuthi ke ungakwenziki. Ngoba every time when you have to listen to your sacral, your inner authority, yona ikutshela iqiniso, but umqondo wakho ukutshela enye into. Umqondo ke uzokulethela ifear khona uzo act fast. Yeah. Kuba into kanjalo. If that was a bad decision for you, surely it was coming from the mind, not from the body. So what is coming after community and family trend? Hope we touch on that soon. Ikhona topic engichaza ngayo ngaleyo nto nje wezo ukuthi la khona lo topic le ibhala ukuthi global cycles. La kuma videos ibhala ukuthi global cycles. La ngiso ngichaza khona ukuthi the families are dissolving kuzoza individuation yabo and spiritual awakening yabo, and we are transitioning from ukuba my human to ama raves yabo, when our solar plexus will be mutated to be an awareness center. So ingane yango 2027 nje from February going forward will be a rave rather than ukuba a homo sapien, a human just like you. Uzothola ukuthi ingazuthi nenkinga ye speech yabo, thola ukuthi indlela ezobiyenza ngayo ayifani nalezi ingane oyijwayele wena. Ngoba ngathi nenkinga ye speech sengikhohliwe okunye okwa akushura uruhu about lezo ngane lezo, but they are not like these children or us yabo. So now unga-check ukuthi what are the signs of ingane eyi-rave. Wazomele uyazi ingane eyi-rave ukuthi i-operator kanjani yabo, noma ngoyenza ivideo ngichaza ngalokho ngesinye isikhathi. La Posh, so what is coming after community and family trend? I hope you turn. Okay, njengoba sengishilo ke individuation ezayo and spiritual awakening. Umuntu uzoba self absorbed and thank you so self sufficient. Uzoba ne individuation ezoba khona. Self sufficient, expressing your individuation rather than ukulento ye collectivism yabo. Yeah, into kanjalo nje kuba individual. Ikhona ivideo la global cycles. Yeah, I think today we talked about the law of rhythm kuphela. Uyibona nje okwenzekile lokho. We talked about the law of rhythm. So mawuhluleka ke mfethu ukugcina lemthetho, there's a price to pay. Mawuhluleka ukugcina lemthetho, nemali lethandwa kakhulu abantu ilandela yona lemthetho. Imali lethandwa kakhulu abantu, ngiyayibona i-comment yakho Prudi, ilandela yona lemthetho le, yona le mali le ilandela yona imithetho le ye-rhythm yabo. Ufuna ukuba nemali, save and invest. Umuntu oyistupid imali uyayi-waste. Umuntu stupid person. Umuntu oyi-average nje, an average person, imali uyayi-spenda. Umuntu oyi-average loyo, hayi ukuthi mhlambe kanjani kunama necessities akhona vele ayispenda kuwona, kodwa umuntu o-wise imali uyayi-investa. Angithi uyakuzwa lokho? Uku-investa ke kusho ukuthi kunezinto ozozincisha zona. You will go through that pain and then later on there's a pleasure. It's either you pay now or you pay later. If you pay later, you're gonna pay with an interest. some people are paying already. Yabo. Thabisa uthi ayiwandi ithini lemthetho wethabisa ungaya ku YouTube ubheke la siqale khona iyona imithetho lesikhuluma ngayo nalo osifica sikhuluma ngayo la kuthiwa i-law of redeem besikhuluma ngayo namhlanje le EU4 esakhuluma ngayo last week ulive we catch up uzothola ku YouTube ukuthi imiphi lo mthetho mentalism correspondence vibration yonke le nto leyo polarity yebo yonke le nto uzokuthola lapho. So ke iyona ke lemthetho. How do you reverse the attraction of one person in different people in terms of romantic relationship? Prudy, how do you reverse the attraction of one person in different people in terms of romantic relationship? Uthini lo mbuzo? Noma ngiyawuzwana. Ureversa kanjani? Cela ungiclarify le kahle. Attracted kubantu aba different. Shoot. One person is attracted to different people. Is that what you are asking? How can you boost zebra? How can you follow flow of rhythm when there is a system that is almost controlling us people? Into ekucontrolayo awulwi nayo. Anything you fight will fight back. You just become in harmony. Njengoba ubona nje basebenzisa yona lemthetho engikhuluma ngayo. Whether you just become in harmony. Mfethu, njengoba ngishilo ukuthi njoba usho nje wena ukuthi kune system that is controlling people. Lokho akungakwenza ukuthi ugcine usuba kwi negative vibration. Yes. Akungakwenza ukuthi ugcine usuba kwi negative vibration. Zitholele into wena ezokwenza ukuthi ube kwi positive vibration. That's how you outsmart this. Wena zitholele into ezokwenza ukuthi vibrate higher okusho ukuthi ube kwi state of qala nje acceptance. You have to accept. That is the first thing. Lokho kucontrolayo lokho qala uku-accept eqala ukuthi kukhona. Don't fight with it. Accept and then you find a way to live in harmony with it. Lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi vibrate higher. Ma vibrate higher by law of attraction and law of deservedness. You will attract the reality that you want. Izinto awuyiconquerish ngokuthi ulwe nazo, but uyiconquerish ngokuthi uzamukele acceptance. Yabo first. Obona abantu ababane anger balwa bashisa benzani kwaqhamuka amaphoyisa emva kwalokho baboshiwe manje. Laba bathatha ngokudinwa balwa bashisa izinto yes, but bakwenzakalana emva kwalokho baboshiwe. Kodwa laba ba accept ukuthi this is nansi into la ekudilwa nayo yile. Sesiphumile kulento yokulwa physical manje silwa la. Oba wayiwanda okay sengikuchazile lokho. Same behavior in different people. Oh Prudy. Same behavior in different people. Obviously lonto le it's a psychological factor. This needs to be healed. When it comes to a romantic relationship, ukuthatha i-past uyenze ibe yini i-present bese ikupredictele i-future. Yeah, yilokho nje. Bheka izinto ze-past ezenza ukuthi repeated the very same thing. Yabo? Because ubuka ama-pattern bese uthi nakho indlela u-acta ngayo izinto ezithile zikwenza ukuthi u-acte the very same way. Yabo? Like kwi-past yakho. It's okay nakho sezokwenza nje. I-law of attraction nje le. I-law of attraction nje. leyo. So isho ukuthi lento khohlwa okudlulile, khohlwa yikho lokho okudlulile. Don't replay the past, yabo. Don't take izinto ezisuka kwi-past uze nazo kwi-present. Lezo zinto lezo zizokupredictela i-future vele. Showcase. Ngoba uzorecognize i-pattern ethile bese uthi wena nakho-ke nalo waqala kanje. Surely nalokho kuya lapha. And then when indlela uzo-acta ngayo, obviously you act the way ezo-attracta lo ukuthi the very same thing eyenzeka laphaya. And then bese ubona ngathi umlando uyaziphinda. Indaba ayikho ngalo osuhlangane naye. Indaba ingawe. You take things and then you move on with them. I-habitual thinking yilapho kumele ukuthi udile nakho khona. There's something you have not healed. About yourself. The thing is not about the person you are coming to meet. The thing is about you, your thought patterns kulowo muntu loyo. Yabo. Yeah, Richmond, Rich Mom. Silwa ngengqondo manje. Hayi ke nganeza kwethu bathini amandi amahle ahlukana ngobasket. So kubenzolo.